up and down right now. You gotta be careful up here because this guy's got a bunch of cows and they get out a lot of the time. So it absolutely sucked to hit a cow on this or have a cow hit me. There's no way I'm making it. That's like throwing a paper airplane at a refrigerator. I ain't gonna survive if that happens. And also I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it up that hill. We'll see. I got belief in the Yamaha. Kind of. There's no brakes either. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Like literally 0 brakes. You pull them and it like somewhat slows you down. So the only way to really stop it is just flip the kill switch and then put your feet down. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. Come on. Oh, you can do it. Oh, we made it. I don't know if you can hear that whining noise where it's going like whoa, 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 whoa. That's the front tire bouncing up and down, and the brake pads keep grabbing the hub. So it's literally just, it's jarring because it's both the brakes and the front tire bouncing up and down, and it's rough. There's another really big hill up here, and I do not think this will make it up it. Also, my speedometer does not work. I lied. Because I'm pretty sure we're not going 5 miles an hour. It feels a little bit faster. I'd say probably 10, maybe 15. I'll do a little bit of exploring. I got about half a tank of gas, so come on, you can do it. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn around up here because there's a steep downhill and I'm not gonna be able to stop. So I'll have to find somewhere around here to turn around. That's kind of a less than ideal spot because there's a hill right there and I don't want to get hit because, again, throwing a paper airplane at a refrigerator. Turn around right here in this lot. Oh, those washboards are killing me. Don't die, don't die, don't die. Come on. Stay alive, stay alive. You're okay, come on. There you go. We're making it. We're doing it. Shift or not, and I don't know when to shift on this because first gear does not exist. It's very temperamental. You have to pick a gear and then stay in it unless you shut it off, or you have to really work with it because as soon as it goes into neutral it revs up to like red line. Trying to get back on this hard smooth surface. There we go. That's not as bad, but also pretty bad. You can tell, but that front tire is really... We'll go up the road a little ways and then we'll turn back around and come back to the house, and then we'll see, because I haven't explored too much, and I mean, I don't think it'll break, but I'm not too sure how much I trust this, but also it's done pretty good so far, so I'll put a little bit of faith in it. I had a Suzuki FA50. That was like my first real big project. And I rebuilt that thing, put a new piston in it, bought carbs, I started to do brakes on it, but I never finished. But that thing was fun. I got it up to like 32 miles an hour once, and it's basically it's one of those push-along bikes with a motor on it. That thing was scary up at that speed, and it had no brakes whatsoever. This is basically the same thing, but a tiny bit different and a little bit older. That was an 82. This is a 64. Which honestly, this kind of reminds me of like one of those really cool old cruiser bikes, like the girls' bikes from like the 50s and 60s, but mixed with like a Maytag fridge for some reason. Kind of rad though. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. Come on. two-stroke, so I don't really blame it. Oh, we're speeding! Whoa! Oh yeah! Gotta get some of them warm up them tires. Yeah! Before I really started the channel, with help from Robbie, I had a 2008 genuine Stella, basically a Vespa clone, and oh man, that thing was fun. I don't know how many miles I put on that thing, but I just recently sold it, and I really wish I wouldn't have, because I enjoyed that thing. It was a 4-speed, and you shifted it on the handlebars. It was like the closest thing you could get to like a column shift for motorcycles. It was awesome, and that thing was fast too, like scarily fast for what it was. It was a 150cc two-stroke, and that thing was heavy, but man, you could pop wheelies on it by accident if you didn't try it. You'd be going uphill and you bog down in like second, you go from second to first, and if you drop the clutch too quick, it'd do a wheelie. Okay, so we'll turn around right before here, because I don't think I'm gonna make it 5 miles. So let's turn around right here. Make sure there's not anybody coming up over this hill. I don't see anybody. Okay, come on, you got this, you got this. You can do it, I believe. Good, yeah! Is there a certain speed where it evens out, or is it just wobbly the entire time? I don't know, but I feel my biceps and chest getting tired. It's like a jerking motion. Hopefully I have some rad biceps by the time I'm done with this bike. I would go in the third, but I don't know how well that wheel's gonna stay on. It's a wasp nest! Let's look down and there's 2 of them. I think I gassed them out. Now I'm very conscious of them. Since I didn't know they were there, they didn't pose a threat. But now that I know they're there, I'm scared, but also they haven't done anything and they don't look like they will. They look pretty dead, I'm gonna be honest, or pretty asleep, I can't tell. And I'm confused as to why they're asleep. Just kind of skirting along real slow. Oh shoot, they're moving. Yeah, maybe now I should probably take care of those. They don't look very happy. Oh shoot. Hey, hey, hey. Go away. Whoa, they do not like that. Hey, hey, hey. Go away, go away. Hey, go away. Are you done now? Are you good? Okay, we're gonna do something really brave. You know, I don't see anything more, so I say we just kind of keep her chugging. There we go, we in gear now, so it's just... We kind of gotta... What is my clutch doing now? What? Okay, give him a nice old bump start. Run and start, come on, come on, come on. There we go. So it does not like to be shifted with the clutch. Okay, let's see if we can't turn around right here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it, you can do it. There we go. Third! Now we're getting sketchy speeds. I'm starting to think we were in third the entire time going around. This seems a lot It seems about the same speed we were going then. That was weird, it shifted after I let off the throttle. Oh, it might have been the stuck clutch. The clutch is super sticky, you have to pull it in, and then it takes like 3 to 5 business days to disengage from the flywheel. That's all.